Good morning students. Today I am going to show you an experiment to prepare temporary mount of the section of stem, dicot stem. So what we will do, you can see this is a dicot stem. In the watch glass I have taken plain water. In this petri dish, water plus the safranin stain. You can see here safranin stain is there. This is glycerine and forceps. With the help of a blade we'll cut fine sections of this. Then after the cutting we'll put it on a slide, clean slide, then a cover slip. This is the cover slip which we'll put on the section. So let's start with the section cutting first. For the section cutting, just hold that stem. You have to dip the stem in water so that it would remain moist and the section cutting would be easier, and secondly to avoid air bubbles in the section. So for this section cutting you have to hold it like this and just start cutting as fine as possible the transverse sections here, fine sections. Out of 100 or 50 or 100 sections you have to select the finest one, and after each just dip it in water. Again we'll repeat the process for cutting fine sections. You can see here like this. Now dip. Now out of this just observe that whichever is the finest one according to you. So just after selecting a fine sample from this section, just transfer it with the help of a brush to the petri dish containing the sample, safranin sample here. Now in this also you can see I have kept so many samples. I've already done the section cutting out of many. I have selected few and transferred it to this so that I can show you the experiment. Now after this I'll select the one which is which is finest according to me. I have selected this one. I'll put it on the slide, this, then a drop of glycerine on it. After putting a drop of glycerine, take the clean slide here and now just put it on the gently put the cover slip on the slide to avoid air bubbles. Yeah, now you can see this is the fine section. After this, just with the help of this you press it gently. You can press, or like this you can remove the extra glycerine and stain from the sample here. You have to ensure that your slide and cover slip is clean before showing to the examiner or before watching in under microscope. Just clean your slide here. For you all, I have already prepared a sample. This one you can see in this the slide I have prepared. Now what we have to do, under microscope just put the slide on the stage of the microscope, adjust it, fix it with the help of clips, and now from here where we observe this the structure is of a dicot stem. For this experiment you have to write the aim, materials required, procedure, and then the diagram of the dicot stem is must to be written, to be drawn on the white paper page of the practical notebook. So this is all about the section cutting of dicot stem. Thank you students.